Okay, so I got a request about TANH. I don't mind doing stocks that don't meet the system and just kind of like look at it and be like, okay, what are we looking at? Where do we have room? What's our risk versus reward and all that? TANH is it's known to spike. Look at this. Look at this big massive move up here. I mean, this is good to see. And we went from a low of 12 cents to all the way up in here to the around the 25, well over 100% gain. We move our graph over. We had this little spike here that made it 87%. I mean, this scheme keeps doing it. But I will say the one thing I do notice is the spikes are about the same, I guess. A little higher, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then is this the end of it? But besides all that, yeah, I really liked this one way back. I remember this one. This one was actually a really nice one, and this is just to show you guys how strict you got to be with Chinese stocks. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is a Chinese. I remember this one. It's electric vehicle. But as you can see, look at this. This is how strict you got to be. This is your last touch of the EMA 5. Look at this one. I'm going to go over the my system, the bottom reversal, then I'll go over the current price action. We haven't touched in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 candles not touching this EMA 5. And then of course, look what you get. You get this big move up from here. Um, yeah, this one was definitely tricky. I would not have bought it unless you hit this ATR4. But even if you look how oversold it is, you still haven't touched the ATR4. I probably would have been like, okay, maybe I might get some skin in the game because I mean, this thing is due for that EMA 5 at least, so you can take that, and then definitely for the EMA 10, and then it touched the EMA 20. But notice how we cannot sustain above the EMA 20. When we are not above the 20, we are downtrend. And then you can see how here, we try to make an uptrend right here, and then we go back down. So what is our longer trend here? It to me does look like an uptrend. Look at this. I mean, just draw your line from this bottom here. I mean, look at that. I mean, it looks yeah, it's definitely an uptrend, even though it looks extremely just weird. But you can see how you have the higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So that to me that is an uptrend. And would I get an entry here? No, I would not buy TANH at the top of a trend channel when it's way above like this. Where would I look to buy this? Well, the best area, in my opinion, is right at the EMA 20. If I get rid of this trend channel, just so we can see this price action here, we go up, right? We had this move up, and then we go back down, and then we consolidated for another move up. So it's you have a nice little pattern here: move up, down, consolidation up. So we're in the up phase, right? I think this can go higher. I truly think it can, but this is just not really the entry to be buying in. So if you are long in this, depending on where you're at, I would definitely take these gains as I can see this pulling back. Where can I see it pulling back? Just basically where I would like to see is near this EMA 20. Uh, that's going to be your best risk versus reward. And like I said, if you buy it in the EMA 20, give yourself a little wiggle room. Let's say you get in right here on the EMA 20. I would give yourself a solid 10% stop loss, because if you did that over here, right here at the EMA 20, you would not have been stopped out. You would have had some nice room to go up, and then from this area here all the way up, this was a nice solid 42% return. So yeah, that's how I'd like to see it, because if once this EMA 20 goes down, you do not want to ever be in a stock like this where it just does this. You break the support, you break the resistance. If you didn't have a stop, this candle right here was your nightmare. And let's just say you just kept buying every dip and dip. Well, you're clearly in a downtrend. You buy every dip, 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 dip. It's just never ending. I think we're forming a base here. To me, this is looking like a solid uptrend. In my opinion, very solid. As you can see right here, we're forming this. I suspect resistance here, come back towards this EMA 20, and then just keep going up. As long as we're seeing higher lows, we're fine. But yeah, that's how I like to trade it. I would like to do a pullback. This is the best way to do it, in my opinion, to follow the trend. And then have a tight stop loss. If you do not have a stop loss that's tight, you'll get wrecked. I recommend 10% stop loss right here on the EMA 20, and then you're out. All right, guys, that's my analysis on TNH, how I'm looking to trade it at least. Thanks for bringing this to my attention, as brings some eyes on it. I enjoy this kind of thing. It's just, man, what a great opportunity to just keep freaking trading these spikes. Like, look at this, up, down, up, down. I mean, this is a nice, just swing trading stock here. It's just awesome. Um, yeah, another thing to note too. Look at the K value on the KDJ 51 right here. um, you can see like anything past 50 has been selling off on this stock. So just keep that in mind. We are at 66 on the K value. All right, guys. Yeah, it's getting kind of late here, but if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I would love to have you guys. I try to do analysis for if you guys say, mention things in the YouTube comments. I do read your comments, so do keep that in mind. But the best way to get the most analysis and be a part of the community is to join the Discord. It is super cheap. It's not going to break the bank. I put a lot of time into this, a lot of strategies, a lot of effort. I think you guys are going to really like it. But if you hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts to get access to the highest tier membership. You can see all the people in here are gold, have the highest membership, and it's only $12 a month. You subscribe on your computer, you'll get access to everything, or just hit server shop here and you can see what I offer. But $12 a month, it's my favorite. I love day trading the most. It's really nice. You can make a whole lot more than swing trading. Swing trading is really good, but do keep in mind swing trading can be kind of slower. I do take slower trades on swing trading, and I'm not looking to get profit right away. Sometimes you got to wait a week, a couple weeks, something like that. But a lot of these setups, this is pennies. I do see a lot of pennies. Sometimes I see bigger cap stocks, and those are the ones I would put bigger money into. Pennies, I put lesser, of course, because they're more speculative. So do keep that in mind. But as you can see, I think this is a bullish chart. I don't see a reason to be bearish on it, because we're not seeing something like this where the EMA 20 is way above, or we're clearly declining and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the Discord. And as always, guys, stay profitable, happy trading, stay blessed, stay humble, and I wish you guys the best. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out.